All right, this is the freight.
Take it all the way. Yeah.
This is the freight elevator at Macy's at Woodfield Mall in Schaumburg, Illinois. And I gotta tell him never to do that.
There's another basement. Lower level.
What's on 3?
3, it's all of our technician stuff.
Oh.
And displays, different sets of displays.
I always wonder what's on 3.
It's a place you literally, doors open, it's just a wall of loud sounds. Can't see. There's
Because I saw the main elevators, they had that on 3.
You need a key to get to the third one.
I even remember when these things were original.
And they break all the time.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm.
This time it's running smoothly.
You'd be surprised.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. Close the door. This one. That'll be it.